Hello. Um, this is my third vlog for the game, and it's the first since my very unhappy day on Monday. What to say? What to say? Well, this young chap here passed away. It's my dude. He's actually here now. It upsets me. Anyway, to distract myself, I've been coding. If you look at the previous blog, you'll see that I had the MapEditor working. Again, that delay on there was instant on the game here, so the game is here, I'm talking to you here, but you're there. So this loads one of the games. Now, first of all, I've fixed the graphical issues where a small map was being stretched over the entire area. Now, this may look silly, but I want a fixed size, height and art style, so the tiles have to be a fixed size. So this is now fixed. This doesn't scroll or doesn't try and stretch anything and do weird things, which was a bug from before. Also, if I click out here, you don't get anything. Also, you can't click and add things to an empty square. There is a type of empty tile now, but we can add something to the filled squares. So if we place the character now, I've just been debugging this because I had a bug. I had a bug in the Pathfinding where it looks for the adjacencies and it says, is this square blocked? But it wasn't working. It was doing some weird, strange stuff. I don't know what it was actually up to. Now all it does is test if it is not 0. 0 being the black tiles you see there. And it will pathfind, you know, the quickest route to somewhere. It'll sort out where it's going to go and get there. Shouldn't have gone through that apple there. I've introduced another bug, but I'll fix that later. So we can go up and over stuff. Let's just check. Yeah, it's ignoring. Just wait there. Maybe I'll have a look. Is not touched. Is not blocked. Go to definition. So I think this piece of my debugging code is present. I need to do that and unrem that. So I've put the token test back in. We'll try this again. Fire it up. Took a time there. Load the game. So we're here. That was where the apple was. I've landed on a breakpoint and I've crashed. This demonstration is not going well. Let's go back to the piece of code I changed. If the tile type is empty, the tile is blocked. Otherwise, do the test. I've broken tokens. When the map editor loads the map like that, it's changing the raw grid points from a value I'm using different bits and bobs to change bits on, telling me whether they're solid or token or passable or not. It's changing them to just be 0. When I then look up the bits, they aren't there. They're zeros. They're just no. I've done it wrong. But that's not the point of this video. Though it's important to recognise that things go wrong all the time, and you need to just check out what you're doing. Let me just start that up again. That loads. Put the full grid on yet. Then the small grid doesn't load. This still scrolls, which it does. Right. Let me take that back out. Because we don't care. I'll just rebuild it. Here it comes again. We're up. Load the grave. So, yeah. Can't place there. Place the character. Step around the corner. And I'll put in the token stuff later. So that was that. It was just to show you that I'm now loading the levels. And what I need to now work on, obviously, is if I want to have graphics for walls here and here, graphics for walls here and here, you know, and have layers where I can say go up a set of stairs, up into another one, and then across and down another set of stairs, for example, which will be a test I do. What I need to do is have graphic points that are considered empty. I need to work on the tile. I need to say a tile has now got a set of properties, it has a background image, and it has, is it an empty tile, is it got a graphic in it, blah 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 blah. The other thing I'm going to do, which I like, is I'm going to stop the grid drawing here in the black bits. I need to draw that grid. Other things I've been doing, I have some Pathfinder map packs to help me think about how things connect and build up and connect together. And I have for tonight, well, in a couple of hours, to run my D&D campaign. I have the baddies, bad guy character sheets. I have my player character sheets, but I've simplified them. I've cut it off and simplified what they're up to because they are brand new players. They've only got 5 or 6 spells between them and only 2 or 3 bits of maths to do. Hopefully we'll have an hour or 2 of fun, especially considering the passing of my dear darling dude. So, that all said, bye bye.